So in this video we're going to see how to add filters to the booking system throughout. So if you are not logged in, so you're looking as a customer or just looking at the site, you would go to book, and in here you see things like one-to-one lessons, adult groups and junior academy. If you click through to any of these, it gives you further options. It will say something like please select your age group or level, and then you can choose either from the drop down one of the levels, or you can hit on one of the actual icons. Any sessions that are then booked show up in the schedule, of which you can either look at from the calendar view or from the list view. So in order to create a new filter or edit one, I'll show you how to do this. So we log in, we'll need the Academy Locker login and password, and once we are into the Academy Locker area we go to booking admin, and in the drop down you'll see a few different areas which we're going to cover through the next series of videos, but the first one will be the booking system filters. We click into there, you'll then see the screen where we can select a program category, and in this example there are the three that I showed in the booking system of one-to-one lessons, adult groups and junior academy. So to just quickly show you through those, one-to-one is a hard set into the system, but one thing you can amend is to make any of these different times active or inactive by just checking the box, and you can also update any of the text that will display, and you can also choose an image currently from the repository. If you want to choose a different image, then you can do. We do have the option also to add your own images, but I recommend, if you want to do this, to send them through so we can make sure they're the exact size and they look good. So that is one-to-one lessons. You'll then also see we had the adult group lessons. The second filter is the one that displays to say which group you would like to choose, and then the third kind of filter is actually you creating the different types of class or lesson. So we're going to try and create a new one just to show you. So we'll go back to the original area, and all we're going to do is just add a new program category. We're just going to call this one test program, and it doesn't matter what's in here, and then we'll choose an image. It can be any image for the moment, and save. So we now have, when we click down, test program, which we'll choose. So the second filter is going to be choose test program type and hit save, and now that will give us the opportunity to go in and be able to actually add one of the classes. So we can then say test class 1, test in here, add an image, again just one for, and save. So we'll now see that in the booking system. So I'm going to quickly come out of the Academy Locker, and I'm going to go into the booking system, and we'll now see that we've created this test program here. If I now click through, we can see the information that is in the little alert, and then we'll see that we also created the test class 1. So super simple to be able to add new programs. If we go back in, I'll just go back into the Academy Locker, and just again show you what we've done. So in order to create a new booking filter, go to booking admin, booking system filters, and once the page shows these different types, so we went and created program, choose type was test program type, and then we created the class. You can also now go back in and edit any of this if you want to, and again save and update it, but that essentially gives you the chance to create the filter, and then in one of the next videos we'll show you how to actually create a schedule, create and schedule a class that sits behind that filter.